How to add images on Kijiji. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today you'll be learning how to add images on Kijiji. All you need to do first is to log on to Kijiji website on your PC or your mobile phone using www.kijiji.com, and on the home page of the screen of the page that will display to you, you see at the top right corner of your screen, you see the Kijiji logo just at the top right corner of your screen. Then close to it is the search box. Here you can input whatever product you want to buy. Then once you click on search, the product will be displayed to you. Also, we have the location just close to it. We have the favorite icon, we have the bell, we have the notification icon, we have the message icon, we have the profile icon, and we have the post ad icon. Since you want to learn how to add images on Kijiji, all you need to do is click on the profile icon just before the post ad icon. Once you click on it, a drop down will be displayed on your screen where you have options like my ad, my orders, my profile, account settings, and so on. You click on my ads. Since you want to add pictures, then you wait for the advert page to load. Here I do not have any active ad, but for you, you should have already. So since I do not have any active ad, I'm going to click on post an ad, but for you, you should have already. So I'll just title give it whatever title I want. Then the list of category will be displayed on your screen to give you further details of what exactly you want to buy, or whatever exactly you want to sell. So you can just click on any of these options as it suits you. So once you click on them, just make your choice, and just make sure that you look thoroughly before you click on any option. So you make your choice, you keep clicking on the particular option that suits your the product you want to sell. So on this page, you'll be asked to give in detailed information about the product that you want to sell. So to learn how to upload or add images on Kijiji, you scroll down till you get to the media section. Here in the media section, you see that boxes are made available already for pictures that you want to upload. So you scroll down a little till you see the option select images. So here you click on the option select images, and you'll be directed to your gallery where you'll be able to get pictures that you want to upload on Kijiji. So if you want to sell a car, for instance, you should have the pictures of the cars already. So once you click on select images, you'll be directed to your gallery where you see the pictures of the car you want to sell. Then you click on you select those pictures of the car, then you upload them. So here boxes are made available already for those pictures. So once you upload the pictures, they will appear in these boxes. So this is it's not very easy to add images on Kijiji. So this is simply how to add images on Kijiji. Remember, you log on to Kijiji website using www.kijiji.com. Then at the top right corner of your screen, you click on your profile, and on the drop down you click on my ads. Then you title your advertisement. That's if you don't have any active ad already. But if you have one already, you simply click on the one you have. Then you see the option upload or add images. You click on it, and you'll be directed to the media section of the selling process on Kijiji. Then you'd see the available boxes for pictures. You scroll down a little till you see the option select image. So you click on select image and you'll be directed to your gallery. Then on your gallery, you select the particular pictures of the products you want to sell on Kijiji and click on upload, and they will be uploaded into these boxes made available for those pictures already. So this is simply how to add image on Kijiji. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.